I begin in the name of the most holy God. Allah! The birthday of holy people is a blessed holiday for mankind. Allah! Today, 25th December, is the birthday of the Holy Mother Mary. Allah! Wishing peace and prosperity to all people around the world on this holiday. Allah! I call on all countries of the world to stop the war between Israel and Palestine. Allah! And to recognize the independence of the state of Palestine. Allah! On the occasion of this holiday, I wish for peaceful resolution of the problems between Ukraine and Russia. Allah! Above all, I pray to God to help all nations, religions, and states of the world to end oppressions, violence, and hatred against each other and establish peace. Allah! O Allah! Allah! Create brotherhood among mankind. Establish peace. Allah! Grant your holy blessing to all mankind. Allah! Of course, you are merciful and forgiving to mankind. Allah! Please have mercy on us and forgiving us. Allah! Give honorable place to your holy human mother Mary. Allah!